In today's digital age, the intersection of technology and creativity has opened up exciting new avenues for earning money, particularly through AI-generated art. This innovative approach allows individuals to create stunning visuals using artificial intelligence tools, transforming the way we think about art and income generation. With platforms like DALL-E and MidJourney, anyone can produce unique artwork without needing extensive artistic skills or training. This accessibility means that even those who have never picked up a paintbrush can dive into the world of digital art and start monetizing their creations. The trend of AI and automation is rapidly gaining momentum, and it's reshaping various industries, including the art world. As more people recognize the potential of AI-generated art, opportunities for selling prints, licensing images, or even creating custom pieces for clients are on the rise. This growing interest not only highlights the value of AI in creative processes, but also encourages individuals to explore their artistic side, regardless of their background. By tapping into this trend, you can join a community of creators who are leveraging technology to express themselves and generate income. So, whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete novice, the world of AI art offers a promising path to financial success and creative fulfillment. Understanding AI-generated art. AI-generated art refers to artwork created with the assistance of artificial intelligence algorithms, which can analyze and generate images based on input data. This innovative form of art is significant in the digital landscape as it democratizes creativity, allowing anyone to produce visually appealing pieces without traditional artistic skills. By harnessing the power of AI, artists and enthusiasts alike can explore new creative horizons and push the boundaries of what art can be. The technology behind AI art creation primarily involves neural networks, which are designed to mimic the way the human brain processes information. These networks are trained on vast data sets of existing artwork, learning patterns, styles, and techniques. Once trained, they can generate original pieces by combining these learned elements in unique ways. This process not only enhances creativity, but also introduces a collaborative aspect between human and machine. For beginners looking to dive into AI-generated art, several user-friendly tools are available. Platforms like DALL-E, Artbreeder, and DeepArt allow users to create stunning visuals with just a few clicks. These tools often come with intuitive interfaces, making it easy for anyone to experiment and produce their own artwork. As AI continues to evolve, the possibilities for artistic expression are virtually limitless, inviting everyone to participate in this exciting new frontier. Setting up your AI art business. Starting your own AI art venture can be an exciting and rewarding journey. The first step is to create an account on popular AI art platforms. Most of these platforms, such as DALL-E, MidJourney, or Artbreeder, require you to sign up with an email address or social media account. Once registered, you can explore their features, familiarize yourself with the tools, and start generating your unique artwork. Next, consider the tools and resources that will help you not only create, but also sell your art. In addition to AI art generators, you might want to explore graphic design software like Adobe Photoshop or Canva for editing and enhancing your pieces. For selling your art, platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or even your own website can serve as excellent marketplaces. These platforms allow you to showcase your work and reach a broader audience. Finally, branding and marketing play a crucial role in the success of your AI art business. Develop a unique brand identity that reflects your artistic style, and create a cohesive online presence across social media platforms. Utilize Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok to share your creations and engage with potential customers. By combining quality art with effective marketing strategies, you can build a thriving AI art business that stands out in the digital marketplace. Monetization strategies. When it comes to monetizing your AI-generated art, there are several effective strategies to consider. One of the most straightforward methods is selling your artwork on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. These marketplaces allow you to set up a shop and showcase your creations to a global audience. You can sell digital downloads, prints, or even merchandise featuring your art, making it easy to reach potential buyers who appreciate unique AI-generated pieces. Another lucrative option is to explore print-on-demand services. These platforms, such as Printful or Society6, enable you to upload your designs and have them printed on various products like t-shirts, mugs, and wall art. The beauty of print-on-demand is that you don't have to manage inventory or shipping. You earn a commission on each sale, creating a passive income stream. This allows you to focus on creating while the platform handles the logistics. Additionally, consider the potential for commissions and collaborations with businesses. Many companies are looking for unique artwork for branding, marketing materials, or product designs. By networking and showcasing your portfolio, you can attract clients who are interested in custom AI-generated art. This not only diversifies your income sources, but also enhances your visibility in the art community, paving the way for future opportunities. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I'm doing right now, and you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. There's also a free webinar that goes into detail about the course. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. Now let's continue. Marketing your AI art. Effectively promoting your AI-generated art is crucial for reaching a wider audience and building a successful business. One of the most powerful strategies is leveraging social media platforms. Utilize Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to share your artwork, behind-the-scenes processes, and even time-lapse videos of your creations. Engaging content can attract followers and potential buyers, so be sure to use relevant hashtags and participate in trending challenges to increase your visibility. Building an online portfolio is another essential step in showcasing your artwork. Create a dedicated website or use platforms like Behance or ArtStation to display your best pieces. An organized portfolio not only highlights your skills, but also serves as a professional space where potential clients can view your work and contact you for commissions or collaborations. Make sure to include a bio that reflects your artistic journey and the unique aspects of your AI-generated art. Engaging with the art community is equally important for gaining visibility. Join online forums, participate in art challenges, and connect with other artists on social media. By sharing insights, providing feedback, and collaborating with fellow creators, you can build relationships that may lead to new opportunities. The more you immerse yourself in the community, the more likely you are to attract attention to your work and grow your audience. Success stories. The world of AI-generated art is filled with inspiring success stories that showcase the potential for financial success. One notable example is an artist named Mike Winkelmann, better known as Beeple. He gained international fame for his digital artwork, culminating in the sale of a piece at a Christie's auction for an astounding $69 million. Beeple utilized AI tools alongside traditional digital art techniques, demonstrating how innovative approaches can lead to remarkable achievements. Another inspiring story is that of Sarah Boccaccini Meadows, who transitioned from a career in graphic design to creating AI-generated art. By leveraging platforms like Artbreeder and DALL-E, she has successfully sold her pieces online and gained a dedicated following on social media. Sarah's journey highlights how individuals from diverse backgrounds, including graphic design, photography, and even education, can tap into the world of AI art and find their niche. These stories serve as a powerful reminder that financial success is attainable in the AI art space. With dedication, creativity, and the right tools, anyone can carve out a profitable path. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting, the potential for earning income through AI-generated art is vast. By following in the footsteps of these successful individuals, you can turn your passion for art into a thriving business. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 100 to choose from.